borax crystals. For this you need a solution of hot water and borax. We use a ratio of 2 cups of borax to 4 cups of water. For 4 jars you'll need a double recipe. You also need some pipe cleaners, some pencils or skewers, and some jars. Shape the pipe cleaners into whatever shape you want. Once your solution's ready, pour it in your jars. Now add in your stars or whatever shape you made. Make sure they don't touch the sides or the bottom. Let your crystals sit for 2 days.